Let's make the easiest, most delicious crockpot marry me chicken pasta recipe. This has been going super viral on the internet. We have got to try it. That's everything that you need. This is all that you need to get it started. Let's get added in 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts or tenders. We're going to use the Italian dressing and seasoning mix as our seasoning. If not, use garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. Add in some minced garlic. Get an 8-ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes drained. Add that in. I did chop mine a little more. You don't have to. We want to keep this nice and easy. 4 cups of chicken broth. Get that covered up. We're going to cook it on high 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 5. Now we need to shred our chicken. I am not taking my chicken out of the pot to shred it. We want this simple and easy, less pots and pans. So shred it right in the pot. Look how tender it was. It was falling right apart. 1 cup of shredded Parmesan, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 pound of your favorite pasta. Get that mixed together. And then get that pasta underneath the liquid. If you need to add a little more liquid, you can, but you don't need it completely covered. You can see how mine is. That's good enough. Get it covered up. Cook it on high for 1 hour more. If you're adding in spinach 20 minutes before the hour is up, add in your fresh spinach. Just taking off the ends there. Give it a good mix. And then just let it finish cooking on high for that last 20 minutes. And dinner is served. And this is absolutely delicious. I love the simplicity of this. Some of the recipes really do overcomplicate this, and we want our crock pot recipe to be all in one pot. Very easy, super simple. Maybe doesn't look the most delicious, but most comfort foods don't always look that beautiful. But it is so delicious. I highly recommend it. I am going to tag the creator whose recipe I used as my guide because, like I said, some of them are really overcomplicating this, and we don't want to. We want it nice and easy and delicious. Dinner served.